Chapter 3. Organ Systems. The human body is made up of millions of tiny microscopic structures called cells. The cells of the similar kind join together to make a tissue. The similar kinds of tissues join together to make an organ. Organs that perform a similar job together form an organ system. The human body has many organ systems working together. Let us learn about them. The skeleton system. The skeleton system is made up of bones. Bones are hard and give a proper shape and support to our body. We are able to stand straight, sit, walk and run with the help of our bones. Bones also protect delicate internal organs such as the brain, heart, lungs and kidneys from physical damage. At the time of birth, a child has over 300 bones. There are about 206 bones in an adult human body. The largest bone in our body is the thigh bone or femur. The muscular system. The muscular system is made up of muscles. Muscles are soft and flexible. Most of the muscles are attached with the bones with strong fibers called tendons. Muscles along with the bones help us move various parts of our body. Even the slightest movement in our body is carried out by muscles. There are about 650 muscles in our body. We have 50 muscles in our face alone, out of which we use 17 muscles to smile and around 43 muscles to frown. When a muscle attached to a bone contracts, it pulls the bone and makes it move. Muscles generally work in pairs. If a muscle attached to a bone contracts to pull it up, its partner contracts to pull it back down. Also, when one muscle contracts, its partner relaxes. The digestive system. The digestive system consists of the mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. The digestion of food begins in the mouth. Here, food is chewed by teeth and mixed with saliva. It then goes to the stomach via the food pipe. In the stomach, the food gets mixed up with the digestive juices. Digestive juices are produced by the walls of the stomach. The food now changes into a paste form. From the stomach, the food goes into small intestine. The juices help the small intestine further digest the food. The liver and the pancreas also help in digestion. The digested food is absorbed in the small intestine and the undigested food that is not absorbed then reaches the large intestine. This undigested food passes out of the large intestine as fecal matter and is thrown out of the body through the anus. The respiratory system. The respiratory system consists of the nose, windpipe, and lungs. When we inhale air through the nose, it goes down our windpipe and finally to our lungs. The lungs are like two big sponges that hold air. The inner surface of the lungs has many thin tubes called blood vessels. The oxygen that reaches the lungs goes into these blood vessels. It is then carried to every part through the pumping of blood by heart. Our body uses oxygen to burn the food and release energy. At the same time, carbon dioxide from the blood enters the lungs and is finally expelled when we exhale. The circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of the heart, blood, and blood vessels. The heart lies slightly to the left under the chest. With every beat, it pumps blood. This blood is carried by blood vessels to all the parts of our body. Blood vessels also bring blood from different parts of the body to the heart. Blood vessels are very thin tubes. The circulatory system regulates the blood flow and the body temperature. The heart of a normal person beats 72 times per minute. The nervous system. The nervous system consists of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The brain controls all the functions and systems of our body. That is why it is sometimes called the master organ of the body. The nerves are like thin wires that start from the brain and reach every part of the body. The spinal cord connects all parts of the body to the brain with hundreds of nerves. It is protected by the backbone. The nerves carry messages from the sense organs to the brain. The brain then sends out message via these nerves to the parts of action and we react instantly. The excretory system. The excretory system is made up of the kidneys, lungs, urinary bladder, and skin. Our body has 2 kidneys at the lower part of the abdomen. Kidneys are bean-shaped organs. They filter our blood and make urine. The urine is stored in the urinary bladder and we pass it out. You already know how the lungs expel carbon dioxide from the body. Our skin has many tiny pores through which sweat comes out of the body. Sweat is also a waste matter. Feces are excreted from the body through the anus.